Good morning students. Today in this video we will learn how to convert rational numbers into terminating and non-terminating decimal expansion, or we can say we will learn how we are going to factorize and convert into repeating decimals. Terminating decimals. What does terminating means? In simple word, terminating means which comes to an end. So, terminating decimal means a decimal whose digits end. For example, 2.5. After point, one number is there 5 and it ends. 2.67. It ends. So such decimal expansion which after decimal point and some digits it ends. So those decimals are called as terminating decimals. Repeating decimal, or we can say recurring decimal, includes a pattern of digits that repeat forever. The decimal expansion of such numbers whose digits repeat, for example 2.333 or 5.787878, means it goes on repeating. So such decimals are called as repeating decimals. Let us see some examples. Let us divide 3 by 1, or we can say 3 is the divisor and 1 is the dividend. We are dividing the number 1 by 3. So let us divide. As 1 is smaller than 3, so we have to take one decimal. So decimal point. So after taking decimal point, 1 becomes now 10. 3 3 ja 9. So 10 minus 9 will give us remainder as 1. Again 1 0 will be appended. Again 3 3 ja 9. Again after subtraction remainder is 1. So if you go on dividing in this manner, you will get the answer or the quotient as 0.333 and so on. So the number 3 goes on repeating. So such numbers or such decimal expansions are called as repeating decimals. So you can see it goes on 0.33 and so on. So as long as you divide, the answer you will get only in same digits, 0.333 and so on. Bar notation. Now it is very difficult to write the same set of numbers, the same set of repeating numbers over and over again. So we can use a different notation or type to represent which numbers are repeating. So such notations are called as bar notation. What does it means? Indicates that a number repeats forever. Let us see one example. 0.33333. It is 0.3 bar. This line over this number 3, that line is called as the bar. So bar basically means that this number 3 will go on repeating. So 0.3 bar means 0.333 and so on. Let us see one more example. 0.121212. As you can see, this number 1 2 is repeating, 1 2, again 1 2, again 1 2. So we can write like this, 0.12 bar. 1 2 has a bar, means 1 2 will go on repeating, 1 2 1 2 and so on. So let us see one more example, 11.3858585. If you see nicely, 11.3, after 3 it is 85 numbers are repeating, 85, 85 and 85. So we can write like this, 11.3. Now this number 85 is repeating, so we can have the bar over the number 85. So 11.3 bar upon 85. Let us try some questions. Write each repeating decimals with bar notation. Let us write bar notation for some repeating decimals. 7.7777. So we can write as 7.7 bar. 0.246246. So we can write 0.246, as because 246 is repeating, so we can write 0.246 bar. 0.7222. So we can see only 2 is repeating, so we can write 0.7 bar upon 2. 0.812, 1 2 and 1 2. So if you observe carefully, 1 2 is repeating, so we can write 0.8 bar upon 1 2. Last one, 4.12123. So you can see here 1 2 3 is repeating, so 4.12 will be as it is and bar upon 1 2 3. One more last one, 22.52010101. So 22.52 will be as it is and 01 is repeating, so we can have bar upon 01. Let us divide some numbers. 7 divided by 9. So 7 is the dividend and 9 is the divisor. So 9, divisor is 9 and 7 is dividend. So we are dividing 7 by 9. So as because 7 is smaller than 9, we have to take a decimal number. So 9 7 ja 63. So 70 minus 63 will give us 7. Again we will append one 0. Again we will continue in the same pattern, 9 7 ja 63. Again we have the same remainder, 7. So if you continue division, you will get the same pattern. So we can write 0.777, and as 7 is repeating, so bar upon 7, so 0.7 bar. 2 divided by 3. So you can just see the same manner. 3 6 ja 18, remainder is 2. Again 0 will be appended. Again we have the same thing, 3 6 ja 18, remainder is 2. Again 0 is appended, 3 6 ja 18, remainder is 2. So the answer will be 0.666, or we can say 0.6 bar upon 6. Let us see one more. 3 divided by 11. So as because 3 is smaller than 11, so we'll put one decimal. So now the number becomes 30. So 11 2 ja 22. So subtract it, you will get how much? 30 minus 22 will give us 8. So again we'll append one 0. Now 11 7 ja 77. 80 minus 27 will give us 3. We will append one 0. 11 2 ja 22. So 30 minus 22 will give us 8. So again you can see the pattern starts repeating. Again we'll append one 0. Now again same we'll write 11 7 ja 77, and the remainder is 3. So this pattern will go on continuing. So we'll get the answer 0.2727. So we can write as 0. bar upon 27. So in the next class we are going to see some problems from the exercise. Moreover, we will see how to draw an irrational number in a number line. Thank you.